Hello everybody, this is Ken. I am back with another accessory, a new accessory and a new company to the channel. I have been talking to this company for a little while. I'm kind of glad that they sent me this device at this point in time because I think it's the newest version, and it's the T3 Pro from CARPODGO. That does rhyme, right? T3 Pro from CARPODGO. I love it. This video, I like to do it especially to my Tesla audience. That's all my audience. We don't have CarPlay at all. I know people are interested in it in the Tesla community. Our cars does not come with it. This video is also for you guys and gals who have a gas vehicle that don't have CarPlay. It's either older, they provide mounts and all of that. I have them on the screen here, and the main thing that was very interesting to me about this device right here is it is 60 frames per second. All the probably screens that I've probably reviewed, I have not seen any that is 60 frames per second. And on top of that, it is a laminated screen. If you don't know what a laminated screen is, then Google search it. I remember when smartphones went to it, it was so much better. One thing, I'll probably get it installed on the passenger side, and I will use the Tesla mount because I do have a screen right here that I probably can't record it that much because this will be here and then the CarPodGo device will be up here. So just want to give you a good experience and you'll kind of see how it works. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed. It's right here. Probably don't know the names for everything specifically, but this looks like a camera. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, that's really nice. So if you need, want to add a camera, then you can definitely use that. We're not going to do that in this video. A thing that goes with the mount, and it has a 3M on the back of it right there. Like I said, it's a lot of accessory because it's going to benefit whatever is good for you. Okay, so that you put in any vehicle. Some cables. It's a very long cable, so I'm thinking this might have something to do with the camera that I just showed you. I'm trying to look and see. Okay, this is the car camera filter. So that is dealing with the camera, and it's supposed to be for the backup camera. USB Bluetooth adapter. And I think that's it. And I knew it was going to come in a nice box. You could just tell sometimes with packaging itself. I think I have some nails. Just in case you like that sound. Open this box here. Box premium. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love nice packaging because that lets me know 9 times out of 10 if you spend time on packaging, that means you probably 9 times out of 10 have a good product as well. So this is the device, and it's already built in on the back, and a lot of this stuff is magnets. I think that's another upgrade, maybe. I'm not sure with the non-pro version. This is the device, and I'm gonna tell you, it's pretty dang slim, to be honest with you. Really like it. Feels solid. Protector on the screen, which I like that nice little touch there as well. And they have some little ports there for some of those accessories that I showed you. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. I think this is for your adapter where you keep it plugged in. Once I plug it in, it should turn on. So let's test that really quick. I have it plugged into the cigarette lighter. I think it's here where I showed you where the charging was. Fast boot up time. Very simple. The screen is nice. This right here is another type mount. USB-C adapter. So a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Show you how to mount it for Tesla owners, but all the other ones are pretty self-explanatory depending on the type of vehicle you have, and they provide plenty of suction cups for that. If I wanted to just mount it on my windshield, I can do that as well, just like everybody else. And I cannot stress to you this magnet. It's crazy. It might just go in there perfectly, but you'll see. Watch. It's on there perfect. That's really nice. But you see the speakers in the back. Hopefully the speakers are pretty nice. I can maybe test that out in this video. This is what they will send you if you let them know you have a Tesla. If not, they'll just send you these original ones, like this one right here, where you can stick it up to the windshield or any window for that matter. Or you can like stick it on the dashboard with this 3M tape as well. So however you want to do it, you have all the options. They send them to you. Just choose the correct thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach this. Loosen it up really nice. And put this on. Make sure this is the top. Yeah, it's the top. So you can adjust it a little bit before you tighten it up, which is really nice. But I'm gonna put it all the way down here. Undock it like this, since it's magnets, just like that, and it stays up there. Okay, I just plugged it in here. Run this wire however you like. You see how quick it's on there. But that's CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, brightness there. I think that's the settings. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, it's for your any kind of update, system update. Let's go to Bluetooth. That's the name of the device. It shows this connected to my iPhone. This is 700 nits of brightness that it can go up to. It is a full laminated display and it's 60 frames per second. Brightness, I got it all the way up for just the purpose of the video. Light sensor, if I like clicked on it, it'll probably get a little bit darker. As you can see, it's doing it automatically like that. And here, this is crazy. This is the logos. You can pick whatever logo. You saw that it's CARPODGO, but you see Tesla right there. And I have a Tesla, but it has everything else: Infiniti, Land Rover, Volkswagen, and the list goes on and on and on. That's like insane. I didn't know that was this many car companies in the world. Right now, I'm gonna select Tesla, set as logo, setting as logo success. I think if I unplug it, plug it back up, you'll get to see the Tesla logo pop up first instead of CARPODGO. Plug it back up. Look how fast the boot time is. That's the Tesla logo right there. It's amazing. Little things like that I really like. Seem like it's like OEM. CarPlay settings. You can do a 10-second timeout return CarPlay. So if you're not touching it, it'll automatically return to CarPlay. You can turn that on or off. You can change your mode for your 60 frames per second as well. I don't know why you would turn that off. There's no kind of lag. It's a smooth process with this 60 frames per second screen. So we don't went over volume. You can set up speaker auxiliary, FM, dual, Bluetooth, display only, I don't know, all that stuff. But it was a very simple process setting it up on Apple CarPlay. So let me show you Apple CarPlay. This device also has pure Bluetooth display mode, usually chosen by 99% of the users. The output via the car's Bluetooth, that's what most users want. Instead of CarPodGo, the logo, whatever your automaker is, it'll also show up. And Apple CarPlay. Okay, I have a service up here where I don't get any kind of copyright since I do pay for the service. Let's do some hip hop. The audio is not really bad coming out of those back speakers back here, as you can see. Please make sure you have the mount set up correctly. You might get still a little bit of wobble, but I didn't have it in there securely, and sometimes it will wobble like crazy. But it's not going anywhere. And what I love about this is portable. Just like that. What do you guys think? You can pick this up with a discount. I'll leave that in the description below for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. This Ken. See you in the next video.